So, welcome back to another lecture of the series, the SAP ABAP series. In the last lecture, we have covered standard tables, SAP standard tables. What are these? We also checked some tables in the SE11 transaction code, and we also covered structures. What are structures? What are the type of structures? Difference between the include and append structure. Now we will check how to create these structures, how to use these. Okay, so first of all, we will check include structure. Let's get a quick recap. Include structure is a reusable structure that can be included into multiple tables or structures. We can use this or we can add this structure into different tables. Unlike append structure that we can only append into the last, add into the last of a table, of a custom table or standard table. But in case of include structure, we can only include this, we can only add this in case of custom tables. Okay, so let's check. Now we have our table, student details table. Okay, so we want to insert two fields, two fields in this field using structures. What will those fields be? Those will be student contact number and student section. In the class we have different sections, so we'll store student section in that and student contact number. For that we need to have field first for those columns. So we will design domain and data element for the same. So let's start with domain. Let's take z st underscore contact, create, give a short description, contact details. Data type will be, let's take numc and its length will be 10. Okay, save it, package transport request, save it and activate it. Done. Let's create the data element simultaneously. Create data element, short description, element for student contact details. Enter the domain here. Okay. Field label, we have to give field label also. So here contact. Okay. This will be fine. Contact details, contact number. Let's take it as contact number. Save it, activate it. Go back. Let's create the another domain, that is student section. Create it. Data element. Sorry, this is domain. Student section. Data type will be character length will be 1. Save it. Then check syntax, activate it. Copy the domain name. We will create the data element underscore data element. Create data element. Then we will give a short description for it. Data element for student section. Domain will be this. Then we will have to give a field label. Suppose only section will be enough. Okay. Save it. And then activate it. Done. Now we will create a structure out of it. Okay. We have both the data element and domains ready for us. We will create a structure out of it. Suppose take it as zstr and then td underscore 1. Create this. We will choose structure as data type here. Now first short description. Structure for student. Demo structure for students. So we will give the names here, the fields that we want. So suppose I will give student underscore. First one was a contact number. Contact. Okay, we have to give data element here. So let's go to here. So we will read our data element from here. Contact number. This was the data element, the name of data element that we gave. Check this. And the other one was student section. Data element for this was this. Copy it. We have both our data elements, both our fields ready. Okay. So this is the only step in creation of structure. You have to give a field name, field label, and then you have to give the data element for the respective fields. Save it. Activate it. Copy its name. So we will include this structure, okay, in the table. Go to change mode. Here, suppose as we discussed, we can insert the include structure anywhere. Suppose we want to add the details before this student class. Okay, edit and then include, insert. Give the structure name here, and here it is. We have our structure included. Save it and then activate it. Okay, now check the table now. We have student section and student contact number. Okay, so Now let's insert data into that. For that, we need to create a table maintenance generator. Then easily we will be easily able to edit the data. So let's do that. Utilities, table maintenance generator, delete the last one. This is fine. This is fine also. We will go for one step and single step and then find screen number. Okay, it is taking 3. We have deleted the last one. Go to one step. Okay, we have forgot to give the function group here. Here we have 1 as screen number. Create it. Save it. Go back and then activate the table. Done. So let's go to SM30 to maintain the table. Edit. Here we can give the contacts numbers here. Suppose and then suppose these are the random contact numbers I'm giving. Section, suppose A and A, C, B, A, C, C, and then B. So this is how we include the structure. That data will be persistent in the database now. Okay, let's check this. Here are these. These are all saved. You can also check back. Contents, display, and then we have our details ready, data ready. Okay, so we checked how to include a structure. Suppose we have to delete this. We do not need this. Save it. Activate this. Let's check the table contents, display, and then this. Both the structures, sorry, both the fields in the structure are gone. Okay. Suppose we want to include that structure at a different position. Suppose before student name itself. Okay. So what we will do? Edit, include, insert, and then structure name. Done. Save it and then activate it. Therefore, we can include this include structure anywhere. We can add this include structure anywhere in a given table or any custom table. We cannot append, oh sorry, we cannot add it to any standard table. Okay. So let's check once. Table contents, display. Here we have both the fields again, student section and then student contact numbers. So we do not need this. We won't break the flow of our table. Delete it, save it, then activate it back to normal. Now let's check the append structure. As I told you, it cannot be reused. Why? Because we can only create an append structure for a specific table. And here it is, structure. So give structure append std underscore append. Cannot be enhanced. Creating new fields is not possible. Okay, we are unable to. So no worries. We will modify this. Okay, first of all, we have to give a. Let's first go back and then edit it. Go to utilities. Enhancement category. Move it to can be enhanced. Copy. Done. Now we will be able to append the structure here. Yes. So let's give the structure name here. Still, let's check what's wrong here. Save it first. So enter it. Now let's give a short description. So append structure for students. Okay. Again, we will give the two fields. First one was student section, or it was contact. First was contact. It suggests okay. Here we have then again student section and then student section. Done. We have created our append structure as well. Save it. And activate it. No, we don't want to display any activation log. Here we have our append structure in the table. Okay. So now let's check this. Let's check this. Utilities, table maintenance, table contents, display, and then display it. Here we have student section and student contact. Also, we can generate a table maintenance generator for it also, and then we can edit the data. You will be able to see like now this we can edit or delete these structures, but we are unable to do anything with it. Okay, so if you want to delete this, how do we do that? Go to append structure and then delete append. Delete, gone. So this is how the include and append structure work. Okay, so this is all for today. This is sufficient for today. We have learned both the structures. We will start fresh in the next lecture and we will see the further topics. Till then, thank you so much. Goodbye.